You're welcome. Today I would like to show you this ball ornament for our trees. I made 8 of this round shape crochet. I used 2 different colors, but here I used just one, and then I attached them with hot glue between. You can use the hot glue here and around here, and then I decorated with balls, shiny balls, and at the bottom you can also use glitter yarn at the edge if you like. So let's see how to make it. For this ornament I'll use these 3 colors. They are acrylic yarn. You can choose any yarn you like. So my basic colors are red and green, and I'll use the yellow at the edge. So let's begin. We'll begin with the magic ring, and I forgot to say that my crochet hook is 350. Make 3 chains, and then 12 double crochet in the magic ring. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll make 12 double crochet. I'll finish my 12 double crochet. I'm tightening this tail to close the round, and then I'm finding the 1, 2, 3, the top of the chains, and I'll make slip knot, then 3 chains, yarn over, and double crochet in the same stitch. Now we'll make 12 double crochets. In every stitch we'll make 2 double crochet. We have 1, 2, 3 double crochet in each, 2 double crochet in each stitch. I finished the row. Now I'll join it, slip stitch on the top, 3 chains again, and double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet at the next, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So we'll make 2, 1, 2, 1 in each stitch. So we have 1 here, and we'll make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then 1, and then 2. Keep doing this until the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. Now I've finished my row. We'll join our work, our row, 1 chain, and then cut your yarn. I'm taking the yellow one, make a loop here, one chain and single crochet in the same, and we will make single crochet all around in every stitch, and we also hiding our tails. Now we will join our row with slip stitch, one chain, cut your yarn and hide it to the back, and we cut all the tails here. And we will make, if we are using one color, 8 of these. If we are using 2 colors, as I do, so we'll make 4 and 4. We need 8 pieces. I have made all my colors, 4 and 4. I have ironed them, and now I'll show you how to join them. I'll use yarn and a needle, and then from here, from the base, changing the colors, I have them on my needle, and the red one. Pull through your yarn, and then we'll make a tied knot here. We almost finished. I have one more thing to do. We will add glue here, or either sew it all around, whatever you prefer. I have finished my ball ornament. I have attached 2 pieces here with hot glue, and then I decorate it with shiny balls here and at the bottom also. Thank you very much for watching. See you at the next time. Bye.